Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus. No? And sa previous video ay pinag-aralan natin yung tinatawag natin na quotient rule. No? That if we have uh, function, no, in fraction form, no? The derivative of that function, say f of x over g of x, is equal to g of x times f prime of x, or the derivative of f of x, minus f of x times the derivative of g of x divided by g of x quantity squared. No? So, gagamitin natin yung formula na yan to find the derivative of y. No? So, find y prime. Okay, so pwede nating sundin yung formula, no? So we have y prime, no, is equal to, ano ba yung g of x? Alin ba yung g of x natin dito? Yung g of x natin yung denominator, no? Tapos yung ating f of x, yung ating numerator. So we have g of x, no? This is the denominator. This is 4x minus 2, no? Times the derivative of f of x. So ito yung f of x natin. Pwede natin lagyan ng prime, no, para to denote that we are getting its derivative, no? And then minus f of x, which is again 2x plus 1, and g prime of x, which is 4x minus 2 prime, no? And then yung sa baba, 4x minus 2 quantity squared. Okay, so sinubstitute lang natin yung function doon sa formula, no? Now, we can start by getting the derivative of the two functions. We have dito as is 4x minus 2. No? What's the derivative of 2x plus 1? Pwede yung tignan, no? Pwede yung, of course, you can use the method that we used earlier. Get the derivative of 2x, and then get the derivative of 1, which is 0, no? But notice that this is a linear function, di ba? Pag may linear function tayo na y equals 2x plus 1. Di ba, this is of the form y equals ax plus b. Or, I think, mas sanay nga kayo dun sa m, di ba? Y equals mx plus b. Yung m, di ba, yan yung slope ng function. Yung m. Yung kasama ng x. Meaning, the slope of this function, if we look at it as a function, is 2. No? And sabi natin, di ba, if we get the derivative of a function, we are actually getting its slope. Meaning, ang slope niyan ay 2. No? Well, you can try other ways of getting the derivative. No? Minus 2x plus 1 times the derivative of 4x minus 2. Again, this is a linear function. No? So, 4 yung kanyang derivative. And yung sa baba natin is 4x minus 2 quantity squared. No? So, this is just multiplication. No? Ang gagawin natin is to distribute. By the distributive property, we multiply 2 by 4x minus 2. So, 2 times 4x, this is 4x. Sorry, 8x. And then minus 4. And then minus 4 times 2x plus 1. Lipat ko muna yung 4 dito para hindi nakakalito. Medyo nakakalito kasi pag nandito tapos may negative, no? Para makita nyo. Of course, pwede na yan i-diretso, no? 4x minus 2 quantity squared. Medyo pasensya na kayo, makatayo yung lalamunan ko. This was from the previous video, so pwede natin burahin yan. Next, we have 8x minus 4, no? Minus, pag distribute natin yan, this is minus 8x minus 4 ulit, di ba? Over 4x minus 2 quantity squared. So, ang 8x minus 8x, magiging 0 na yan. No? Dalawang to. And then, ang matitira is negative 4 minus 4, which is, anong negative 4 minus 4? This is negative 8 over 4x minus 2 quantity squared. Okay, so yan yung derivative ng y, no? Tatawag natin na, dinidenote natin as y prime. And again, huwag natin kalimutan yung ibig sabihin ng derivative, which is the slope of the function, no? Here, the slope of a function at any point. So, if you want to get the slope of the function at x equals 5, you substitute x dito. No? Okay, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo. Gusto ko invite sa ating YouTube channel. Mag-subscribe kayo, no? And, of course, our Facebook page, no? facebook.com/zip9ph, and our website, zip9.com. If you like this video, paki-like nyo lang, no? Kahit medyo paus ako, pwede nyong i-like. No? Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.